Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove the add to cart button on WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on TownWeb and I'm using their guide for this since I cannot afford WooCommerce, or rather the WordPress business plan, which you do need to use WooCommerce. Now, once you have the plan and once you can access WooCommerce and everything, you can very easily use the built-in tools to remove the actual add to cart button. So let me show you guys how that is done. Now what you need to do is you navigate to WooCommerce, go into settings, product and inventory, then enable the manage stock button by clicking or ticking the box. Then to remove the add to cart button for a specific item, you can set the quantity of that product to 0, which will mark it as out of stock, and the button will be gone. You can also use code snippets for the functions.php file. You just need to open up functions.php from appearance in the theme file editor, functions.php, and you can add the following line. And to remove from product listings, you can just go there and insert this code over here, and that is pretty much it. You can also use different CSS techniques. If you know what you're doing and know CSS code, you can go into Appearance, customize an additional CSS, and add additional CSS code, which will then remove your button for you, and that is pretty much it. Those are the main methods I wanted to show you guys. They are very easy to follow and very easy to understand, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.